Hello everybody, John here, and today on To The Garage we have Secrets of the XK8 and XKR, episode number 17. Extra short one today due to a technical hitch where I've managed to lose a video file, but that one will come another day. So first one is, as you all know, I believe the XK8 to be one of the most beautiful cars of all time. And many of you guys agree. The E-Type is often touted as the top of the podium for this award. I think that the XK8 is a worthy challenger for that. Interesting, two of the cars that I genuinely think are up there as best looking cars of all time, both designed by the same guy, Jeff Lawson. And that is the XK8 or X100, let's include the XKR in that. And you've also got the XJ220. I think the car that all supercars try to look like and fail. It's the epitome of what a supercar should be. We also have the XK180, but in fairness, that was never a true production car. More of a prototype.
The damper system on a Jaguar XK8 or XKR can have C.A.T.S, which is Jaguar's quite sophisticated for the year adaptive damping system, where essentially it does is applies a current to the dampers at the right moment and causes the damping action to be far more effective, making the ride more sporty, makes you better able to deal with sharp cornering, quick changes of direction, etc. Without that, the car is the same as the standard car, i.e. when it's turned off, the effect is the same as a standard car and it's an incredibly comfortable ride. Because the adaptive dampers are so expensive relative to the standard set, you can find that cars have been replaced with non-standard damper kit. So it's quite interesting to be able to see whether or not your car was intended to have dampers with C.A.T.S or not. So my car has no C.A.T.S and it has never had any C.A.T.S. I know all the history behind it. But if you have C.A.T.S, the top of the damper needs a feed of an electrical wire, and it would run across here and into this cap. Some cars have it hidden, most of them it's just straight across. However, if you look at this cap that covers the top up on the damper, there's a little notch there, you can put a screwdriver under it, give it a lift. And again, if you were C.A.T.S equipped, you'd have a cable running into the middle of the damper. The cap itself has some writing in the bottom. It has a part number and it says no cutout. And if I turn it round, oops, and it has a different part number and the words with cutout. And that refers to the same moulding with or without that piece moulded in. So if somebody has changed this car over from C.A.T.S equipped to non-C.A.T.S equipped at some point in its history, then that will not be there because that's the gap for the wire. So you can see at a glance whether or not your car used to have C.A.T.S and now does not. Nobody is going to go to the effort of replacing that cap with a non-C.A.T.S cap.